First, let us not waste time, sir. First one, find the number of real solutions. Find the number of real solutions for the equation 5 power x into 8 power x minus 1 by x equivalent to 500. Find the number of real solutions for the equation 5 power x into 8 power x minus 1 by x equivalent to 500. 99.99% of the students will do a mistake in this question. In case if you want to know what is the mistake in the question, before seeing the solution, kindly solve it on your own. You will realize the mistake. Right? Kindly solve this before you see the solution. In case if you are watching the video a little later, find the number of real solutions for the equation. Now see here. Now 1 minute. See here, sir. So 5 power x into 8 is nothing but 2 cube power x minus 1 by x. 500 is 5 cube into 2 square. 125 into 4 is 500. 5 power x into 2 power 3x minus 3 divided by x equivalent to 5 cube into 2 square. So this will become 5 power x minus 3 into 2 power 3x minus 3 by x minus 2 equivalent to 1. Why? Because a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. 5 power x minus 3. 5 power x by 5 power 3 is 5 power x minus 3. 2 power 3x minus 3 by x minus 2 equivalent to 1. So these is nothing but 5 power x minus 3 into 2 power 3x minus 2x x minus 3 by x equivalent to 1. I hope it is clear. 5 power. So these is nothing but 5 into 2 power 1 by x power x minus 3 equivalent to 1. 5 into 2 power 1 by x power x minus 3 equivalent to 1. This is where most of the students will do a mistake. The mistake they will commit is 1 power 0 is equivalent to 1. So 5 into 2 power 1 by x, they will call it as 0. So they will call it as this one. So please write down till here, then I will take it in a next slide so that you can clearly see it. 5 into 2 power 1 by x power x minus 3 equivalent to 1. Till here it is clear, right? Now what is the mistake most of the students will do it? So these is nothing but 5 into 2 power 1 by x power x minus 3 equivalent to 1 is there. They will hurriedly write it as anything power 0 is 1. So they will tell x minus 3 equivalent to 0, x equivalent to 3. They will tick mark answer as one real solution. But if you observe 1 power any real number is also 1. 1 power any number, it is also 1. So 5 into 2 power 1 by x is 1. 2 power 1 by x is 1 by 5. So 1 by x will become log 1 by 5 base 2, which is nothing but an irrational number. An irrational number can also be a real number. Answer is this and answer is this. So answer for this question is 2 real solution. Some of the textbooks also mentioned the solutions as 1. It is incorrect. Answer is 2 real solution. A power 0 equivalent to 1. 1 power any number is also 1. 1 power any number is also 1. 2 cases will satisfy this equation to get the answer right. 5 into 2 power 1 by x power x minus 3 is 1. 5 into 2 power 1 by x power x minus 3 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So x minus 3 is 0. X will be 3. 1 power any number is 1. So either base can be equivalent to 1, or power can be equivalent to 1. Please write down, sir. Either base can be equivalent to 1 or power can be equivalent to 1. 1 power any number is 1 or a power 0 is 1. A power 0 is 1. Two cases they are possible, sir. Anything power 0 is 1, 1 power any number is 1. 99.99 they will take only these cases and equate power with 0. So power not only can be 0, base can also be 1. Please write down. Base can be 1 or power can be 1. Or power can be 0. Sorry, sir. Base can be 1 or power can be 0. Base can be 1 or power can be 0. I hope this concept is extremely clear to you. Lot of mistakes you will do in a lot of problems. Today's class is just making a student identify the conceptual mistake which you will do it. I hope it is clear. Anything power 0 is 1 or 1 power any number is 1. First question answer is 2 real solution. Another blunder, 99.99% of the students including teachers will do this mistake. If 2 plus root 3 is 1 root of quadratic equation, if 2 plus root 3 is 1 root of quadratic equation, find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation. Another question where most of the students are the teachers who do not have subject knowledge. They will also do 99.99% of the students as well as the teachers, right, who just teach by hearting 20 problems will do a mistake in this problem. What is that mistake? We will see it. 2 plus root 3 is 1 root of the quadratic equation. Now, what they will do is mistake. What is the mistake they will do? So, they know that if alpha is 2 plus root 3, beta will become 2 minus root 3. In some R.S. Agarwal textbook, one formula is there. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equivalent to 0, which is x square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0. This is what most of the students yada raja tada praja. Students will be like that the way the teacher is there. If the teacher is teaching formula, student will become muggers. If the teacher is teaching conceptually, students will also start thinking conceptually. Mistake. Please write down the concept. Concept. Ax square plus bx plus c. If this is a quadratic equation, and a comma b comma c are rational numbers, a comma b and c are rational numbers, then only if one root is p plus root q, another root will become p minus root q. Please write down. Another root will be p minus root q. Without using any condition, please don't use it. Please make a note of it. So what is the answer for this question? Cannot be determined uniquely. Cannot be determined uniquely. You cannot say that if one root is 2 plus root 3, another root will be 2 minus root 3, because nothing is specified about the coefficient of x square, x and constant. Only if ABC are rational numbers, then only this concept is used. It has to specify in the question that ABC are rational. Nothing is specified about that question. If nothing is specified, ABC will become real numbers. Real numbers means it could be rational as well as irrational. So you cannot take this concept. Second, a blunder mistake done by almost all incompetent teachers are probably people who think that they are trainers but do not sit and understand the concept. They are just nothing but the vomiters of, right, seeing the 20 solution and vomiting it in the class. concept. Please make a note, sir. Ax square plus bx plus c. Only if the coefficients are rational numbers, then only if one root is p plus root q, another root will be p minus root q. Another root will be p minus root q. I hope the idea is clear. Second question. Please write down the third question. Third one. Each and every problem, please listen carefully, sir. Second one. Third one. We will solve some of the irrational questions. Now see here. First question. Again, third one. 99% of the students, again they will do a mistake in this question. 99% of the students will do mistakes in this question, right? Teachers also often do this mistake, right? Number of solutions of the equation root x plus 1 minus root x minus 1 equivalent to root of 4x minus 1. First we will see the mistake. Today's class is extremely important, sir. Mistake. What they will do is they will try solving the question. Root x plus 1 minus of root x minus 1 equivalent to root 4x minus 1, squaring on both sides. If the squaring on both the sides, if I square it on both sides, x plus 1 root whole square, it is x plus 1 plus x minus 1 minus 2 root of x square minus 1 equivalent to 4x minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So these minus 2 root of x square minus 1 equivalent to 4x minus 2x. 2x minus 1. Squaring on both sides. 4 into x square minus 1 is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. 4x square cancel. Minus 4 equivalent to 4 minus 4x plus 1. X is nothing but 5 by 4. They got the answer as 5 by 4 and they will do a mistake. Answer is, it is one solution, which is a mistake. It is a mistake. We will see why it is a mistake. Why it is a mistake. X equivalent to 5 by 4. Answer is 1. They will tick mark that 5 by 4 is one solution. Right? Now, please write down the concept. Concept. What do you mean by solution? Solution means left hand side equivalent to right hand side. Solution means left hand side equivalent to right hand side. If I substitute 5 by 4, 5 by 4 plus 1 minus of 5 by 4 minus 1, which is root of 9 by 4 minus root of 1 by 4 equivalent to root of 4 into 5 by 4 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 equivalent to 2. 1 is not equivalent to 2. This is an anomaly. Anomaly means answer is not satisfying the question. Answer is no solution. Please write down. Very, very important class. Watch the entire class. Watch the entire class. You will learn a lot of concepts, sir. Root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 equivalent to root of 4x minus 1. Squaring on both sides. A square plus b square minus 2ab. It is 4x minus 1. So here it is nothing but minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2x if it goes that side. Minus 2 root of x square minus 1 is 2x minus 1. Squaring on both sides. 4 into x square minus 1 is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. Minus 4 equivalent to minus 4x plus 1. X we got 5 by 4. He asked whether this is the solution. Solution means left hand side should be equivalent to right hand side. Just check it out. 5 by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 equivalent to 4 into 5 by 4 minus 1. Root of 5 minus 1. 1 equivalent to 2. 1 equivalent to 2. Only Shakuntala Devi will tell 1 equivalent to do. That too she will do a mistake in a penultimate step. 1 is not equivalent to 2. Answer is no solution. I hope you got an idea. After taking it, we have to understand the definition of a solution. Solution is nothing but left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. Solution is nothing but left hand side is equivalent to right hand side. Then a student might ask me, What is the difference between a solution and a root? What is the solution and a root? Now, please write down, sir. Please write down the question. Difference between solution and a root. Difference between solution and a root. Difference between solution and a root. Right? Now, a root is a value which will make f of value equivalent to 0. If I substitute the value, right hand side will be 0. A solution is nothing but intersection of two curves. A solution is nothing but a point of intersection of two curves. Please write down. I will take an example, then I will explain it. A solution is nothing but the point of intersection of two curves. A root is nothing but where the value will make y equivalent to 0. A value will make y equivalent to 0. A value will make y equivalent to 0. So what we got, 5 by 4 is an anomaly. I will come to that anomaly once I am discussing a quadratic equation. Why it is not happening. Now, just I will explain. Suppose there is an x and y axis. Suppose there is an x and y axis. Example. There is a curve like this. There is a curve like this. And there is a curve like this. Now if you see here, there is a curve like this. What are the points of intersection? Anything that is specified in red color, 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 they are nothing but the point of intersection. That is nothing but the point of intersection. That is nothing but the point of intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 points of intersection we got it. Then what is a root? Root is nothing but where y equivalent to 0. Y equivalent to 0. Anything that I specified in violet color which is making f of value equivalent to 0. F of value equivalent to 0. That is nothing but the root. That is nothing but the root. That is nothing but the root. A solution may be root. A solution, or we will take an example, then we will write it. I hope it is clear. There are multiple points of intersection. In that point of intersection, in that solution, anything that makes the solution right hand side equivalent to 0, that is called a root. Any solution that makes the right hand side equivalent to 0, that is called a root. I hope you understood the difference between solution and a root. Solution is nothing but the point of intersection of two curves. You will get some points. The point which will make right hand side equivalent to 0, then that solution will become a root. Root is a subset of solution. Root is a subset of solution. You will understand it better when I take an example. A root is a subset of solution. A root is a subset of solution. Please write down. Please write down a question. I hope it is very clear. One is a red color. Red color is nothing but the point of intersection. Anything that is violet color, it is nothing but the root. There are many points of intersection, out of which few points of intersection will make y equivalent to 0. If y is f of x, that is nothing but a root. Please write down. Question. Find the number of common roots. Find the number of common roots for the equation. Listen carefully to every problem, sir. Find the number of common roots for the equation x square cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equivalent to 0. X cube plus 2x square plus 7x plus 3 equivalent to 0. Listen carefully, sir. Both are equated with 0. So I can equate both the curves. If I equate both the curves, I will get the point of intersection of two curves. So what am I doing is first finding the solution. X cube cancel. 3x square minus 2x square, which is nothing but x square. 4x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x plus 2 equivalent to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 equivalent to 0. X is nothing but 1 comma 2. What are 1 comma 2? These are nothing but the solutions. Why it is a solution? Because I am equating both of them. If I am equating both of them, I will get point of intersection. I will get point of intersection. For a point of intersection, to become a root, it should satisfy right f of value should be equated with 0. F of value should be equated with 0. F of 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, it is not equivalent to 0. F of 2, 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5, not equivalent to 0. So how many common roots are there for this question? Answer is 0. Answer is 0. A solution may or may not be the root. Solution may or may not be the root. The root could be a solution. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Please write down, sir. When you take two equations, equate with each other, I will get the solution. X equivalent to 1 comma 2 are the solutions. If the solutions make f of value is equivalent to 0, then it is a root. 1 comma 2 are the point of intersection of these two curves. But for it to become a root, right hand side should be equated with 0. F of 1 is not equivalent to 0, f of 2 is not equivalent to 0. 1 comma 2 are solution but not the roots. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Is this concept clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat. Not a single doubt, you will get it in my class. Not a single doubt, you will get it in my class. Kindly reply if this is clear to you. Praveen, take some water. Everybody kindly reply, sir. Each and every question is a beautiful question which will enhance your thinking ability, which will check whether the formula based learning is giving a conceptual clarity. A student who has got conceptual clarity has always won the game, not necessarily the student who is just a formula based mugger. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. I hope it is clear. It's all about your presence of mind, sir. It's all about having your concepts absolutely very, very clear to each other. Right? Please write down one more question, sir. When this question came into the mind, suddenly an original cat question came into the picture. I don't know what all students use to solve this one. The teachers also start teaching them formula based learning. 2s is a plus b plus c, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. It is nothing but 1:7:4. A plus b plus c, a is to b is to c. Please write down, sir. A is to b is to c. A is to b is to c equivalent to how much? Options 8:10:6. Second option 9:4:12. Third option 7:8:9. Fourth option 11:5:8. Anil Nair's way of solving. 5 seconds. Anil Nair's way of solving. See here, I will not even solve this question. This will take 5 seconds to solve. See here, s minus a is, I will not even write this, s minus a is to s minus b is to s minus c is 1:7:4. 7 is maximum. If it is maximum, B contain negative sign, B should be minimum. In the ratio, B should be minimum. In the ratio, B should be minimum. S minus A, 1 is minimum. If it is minimum, A should be maximum. Answer, A ratio should be maximum. Finish. 5 seconds it will take to solve the question. Right? S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C. Again see here. Here A, B, C are positive real numbers. Here A, B, C are positive real numbers. Positive real numbers is nothing but S minus A is 1. Now what I did is I just used a maximum and minimum approach. This is maximum. If this is maximum, anyway this is constant, A plus B plus C by 2. B has got a negative sign, so B should be minimum. B should be minimum. In the series, B should be minimum. In the series, B should be minimum. S minus A is 1. 1 is minimum. A has got a negative sign. A should be maximum. A maximum, B minimum. Answer is 11 is to 5 is to 8. Over answer. Very, very logical way to solve this question. I hope the idea is very, very clear. And for your information, it's a CAT question. And people say that the CAT paper is a difficult paper. CAT or an SSC or a bank paper, they are not difficult papers. They are a different paper. If you know all the concepts, if you know smarter way of solving, then you will clear the exam in the first attempt. Right? Priya, I think it's an easy question. S minus A is to, I am repeating the first method for you. S minus C is 1 is to 7 is to 4. So S minus A is K. S minus B is 7K. S minus C is 4K. If I add it, 3S minus of A plus B plus C is 12K. 3S minus 12SC is 12K. So S will become 12K. A will become 11K. B will become 5K. C will become 8K. Answer is 11 is to 5 is to 8. I hope it is clear. 11 is to 5 is to 8. 11 is to 5 is to 8. This is a traditional method. Method 1. Method 1. Right? You don't need to have this method 1 understanding if you have the concepts very clear. Another one. Please write down one more question. These, you don't need to solve all these. Maxima and minima. I hope, Priya, it is clear to you. Other students, it is clear to you. If you are solving this and getting the answer, then you don't need to subscribe my channel and learn the optimal methods. Anyway, when the results are out, you will see probably a difference of 1 mark can create your chances or kill your chances. Next one, please write down. In an exam of 60 questions, another teachers also do this mistake. In an exam of 60 questions, right answer carries 1 mark. Wrong answer carries minus 1 by 3 mark. 0 for not answering. 0 for not answering. Right is nothing but right. Wrong is nothing but wrong answer. How many distinct net scores are possible? How many distinct net scores are possible? Another question. How many distinct net scores are possible? In an exam of 60 questions, right answer 1 mark, wrong answer minus 1 by 3 mark. 0 is not answering. How many distinct net scores are possible? Again, 99.99% of the students and the trainers will get wrong answer. I will tell you what is the mistake that they will do. Will get the wrong answer. First solution. In an exam of 60 questions, right answer 1 mark and wrong answer minus 1 by 3. Now it is nothing but there are 60 questions. Assume that a student writes that paper, get all right. Get all of them right. If all of them he gets right, the score will be 60. Score will be 60. Worst case, he gets all of them wrong. He gets all of them wrong. he will get minus 20. Am I right? Best case is all of them right 60. Worst case is all of them wrong minus 20. Right? Now, I do one mistake, so I will lose 1/3 mark. I will do two mistakes, I will lose 2/3 mark. I will do like that n number of mistakes, n/3 I will use. Every time there is a fall off from 60, 1/3 down, again 2/3 down, again 3/3 down, again 4/3 down. So the deviation is nothing but 1/3, 1/3 for every incorrect. For every incorrect. So what I will do is, all right is 60, all wrong is minus 20. Now see here. This is nothing but Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what they will do is, maximum largest value is 60, lowest value is minus 20 plus n minus 1. Every time there is a deviation of 1/3. 80 equivalent to n minus 1 into 1/3. N is nothing but 241. They will tick mark the answer to be 241. They will tick mark the answer to be 241. Why it is 1/3, 1/3? 1 incorrect, 1/3. Minus 2 incorrect, minus 2/3. From highest value to the lowest value, every time for a negative, the score is dipping by 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, which is nothing but the difference. N is 241, it is a mistake. Where is a mistake which we will do? Suppose this is 58. I will write 58 1/3, 58 2/3. 59, 59 1/3, 59 2/3, and next is 60. And next is 60. See here, sir. 58, 58 1/3, 58 2/3, 59, 59 1/3, 59 2/3, and 60. 60 means all 60 are right. This case possible. 59 2/3, 59 2/3, 59 2/3 is 60 right, 1 wrong. Am I right? 59 2/3 is 60 are right, 1 is wrong. 1 wrong means 1/3 down. 1/3, 60 minus 1/3 is 59 2/3. But total how many attempts he made? 60 is right, 1 is wrong. How many attempts he made? 60 plus 1 question. 61 questions he made. But actually in an exam, how many questions are there? 60 questions. That means he only created 1 question and did whether it is right or wrong. This case is wrong. I hope it is clear. 59 1/3. 60 right, 2 wrong. 60 right, 2 wrong. 2 wrong means 60 minus 2/3 is 59 1/3. This case wrong. That means 60 plus 2 is 62 questions are there. But according to the questions, there are only 60 questions. 59. Only 59 he attempted. All 59 are right. Possible case. 58 2/3. 59 right, 1 wrong. 59 right, 1 wrong. 59 minus 1/3 is 58 2/3. Total 60. It is possible. 58 1/3. 59 right, 2 wrong. 59 right, 2 wrong. 59 plus 2 is 61. Total 61 questions. Not possible. 58. 58 means all 58. Only 58 he can attempt. He can not attempt any question also. Only 58 he attempted. All 58 are right, which is nothing but 58. From 58 I don't need to see. Why? Because the next previous number is 57 2/3. 57 2/3 is 58 right, 1 wrong. What is 58 plus 1? 59. Number of questions can be less than 60. I hope he can leave out few questions. So 241 is incorrect. How many cases are not possible? This case is not possible. This case is not possible. This case is not possible. Answer is not 241. Answer is total distinct net scores are 238. 238. Tn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. 60 is minus 20 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 3. N is 241. In that 241, 3 cases are eliminated. Again, I am repeating which are the 3 cases. 60. All 60 attempted, all 60 are right. 60 it is possible. 59, 2 by 3. 60 right, 1 wrong. 60 right, 1 wrong. Total he attempted. Wrong is also an attempting the question. 60 plus 1 is 61. Not possible. 59, 1 by 3. 60 right, 2 wrong. Attempted are more than 60. Not possible. 59 is only 59 he attempted. All 59 are right. Possible. 58, 2 by 3. 59 right, 1 wrong. So 3 are not possible and answer is 238. I hope it is clear. Today's class, we are discussing all the possible mistakes made by a student. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat. Each and every class of mine should add a lot of value. Should add a lot of value. I hope the idea is clear. Clear, right? Now, one more question we will solve. Then I will tell you a shortcut for this. Shortcut for this. Write down one more. In an exam of 60 questions, one more, in an exam of 60 questions, right answer 1 mark, wrong answer minus 1 by 4 mark, 0 is not attempting. 0 is not attempting. How many distinct net scores are possible? How many distinct net scores are possible? After this, we will discuss this shortcut. How many distinct net scores are possible? See here. How many distinct net scores are possible? Solution. All right. All right is nothing but 60, right answer 1, so it is 60. All wrong. 60, negative minus 1 by 4, minus 15. So Tn is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is 60 equivalent to minus 15 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 4. N is 301. 301 is mistake. Shortcut. Shortcut. Right answer 1 mark. Right answer 1 mark. Wrong answer is minus 1 by n mark. Minus 1 by n mark. 0 is not attempting. Not attempting. Number of distinct net scores. Number of distinct net scores is nothing but total scores possible. Total scores possible minus summation of n minus 1. In the previous question, see here, it is right is plus 1, wrong is minus 1 by 4. 0 is not attempting. 0 is not attempting. Total how many questions are there? Total questions are 60. Total questions are 60. So answer is number of distinct scores. Number of distinct net scores is nothing but 301 minus of 4. 4 minus 1. Summation 3. Summation 3 is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 301 minus 6. Answer is 295. Summation of n minus 1. These scores are not possible. These scores are not possible as long as the negative marking is minus 1 by n. Please make a note of it. You don't need to sit and start eliminating that cases. I have already developed the concept. Just use this concept. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. 1 and it is minus 1. Minus 1. Priya, it does not matter how many I am taking. Idea is to tell you how many distinct cases are not possible. To prove that in this case 6 scores are not possible, I took total 8 cases, 58 to 51 at a step value of 1 by 4. In the previous cases, I wanted to tell you that 3 cases are not possible. So I just took some 1 or 2 integers here and there just to tell you, right, which all cases are not possible. Write 1 mark, wrong, minus 1. 0 is not attempting. Number of distinct net scores is total scores minus summation of n minus 1. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Jitendra, y equivalent to minus 20 I took. Where did I took minus 20? Minus 20, it is nothing but if all the questions are there, if I make all of them incorrect, 60 questions are there, all 60 are incorrect beta. So minus 1 by 3 into 60 is minus 20. Minus 20. One more questions which we will solve, then we will get into our problems. Total number of questions are 100. Right answer 1 mark. Right answer 1 mark. Wrong answer minus 1 by 5 mark. 0 is not attempting. 0 is not attempted. Not attempted also we will take a case. That will be an advanced level. So how many distinct net scores are possible? How many distinct net scores are possible? So best case, all 100 are right. 100. Worst case, all 100 are corrected, all are incorrect. So Tn equivalent to a plus n minus 1 into d. 100 equivalent to minus 20 plus n minus 1 into 1 by 5. N is 601. So answer is 601 minus summation 5. It is summation 4. 601 minus of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Students who want to check whether 10 cases are eliminated or not, do it leisurely after the class. 601 minus 10. Answer is 591. Answer is 591. I hope the idea is clear.